everyone, welcome to Red Online School Education. Today we are going to study subject Geography Standard 9th lesson number 9 Trade. Students, in previous video we already learned about what is trade and types of trade. Now see, next point is export and import. What is export and what is import? Export and import are the basic process of international trade. When a country buys those goods and services which are scarce in their own country from another country, it is known as import. Means in short, buying and selling between two countries. It is called the international trade. And buying goods and services from another country, it is called import trade. Means see, what is the import trade is there here? Buying goods and the services from another country, it is called the import. And what is export? See that when a country produce excess goods or services than require, it sells those to countries which have a demand for it. This is called export. Means selling of goods and the services to another country, it is called export. Here import means buying and export means selling. Here buying from the another country, it is called import, and selling to the other countries, it is called export. Means from India, means in India brought many things from the other countries. For example, crude oil, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq. India buys this crude oil from these countries, it is called the import. Means India import all these things, and India export good quality of tea, also sugar, then mangoes from the coconut. This is called the export. See, next point, balance of trade. See the difference between the import and export values of a country in a specific period, it is called balance of trade. Means here value, there is a difference between the import and export values of a country in a specific period, it is called balance of trade. See, balance of trade is divided into three parts. First is the unfavorable trade, yeah, unfavorable balance of trade. Second is favorable balance of trade, and third is balanced balance of trade. See, first now what is unfavorable balance of trade? See, when the value of import is more than the value of export, it is called unfavorable balance of trade. You can see in the picture how there is the balance is there, means import value is more and export value is less. It is called the unfavorable balance of trade, and India's trade is also in unfavorable balance of trade due to the overpopulation. Means India import many things from the other countries and export is the small quantity. A value of the export is very less as compared the value of import. So India's trade is the unfavorable balance of trade. Second type of trade is favorable balance of trade. See, when the value of export is more than the value of import, it is called favorable balance of trade. Japan trade is the favorable trade is their favorable balance of trade. Means here the value of export is more and the value of import is very less as compared to the export. This is called the favorable balance of trade. So last is balanced balance of trade. If you see this picture, you will see that here when the value of export and imports is almost same, it is called balanced balance of trade. In this trade, there is the when the value of export almost equal to the value of imports, it is called the balanced balance of trade. These are the three types of trade is the trade: unfavorable balance of trade, favorable balance of trade, and balanced balance of trade. In the next video, we will learn about the International Trade Organization. Thank you.